Adventure awaits. Join Kushi's Kidopia world by simply tapping to that subscribe button. Here is one story which our grandma is telling us, so let's see what.
Ever pondered why flowers unveil in a spectrum of hues? Or why certain flora basks in sunlight while others thrive in the shade? There's a tale to that, a tale featuring a petite animator who grasped a grand lesson. Once upon a sketch, a quaint town embraced by undulating hills and a shimmering river, existed a young doodle named Ravi. Ravi was no ordinary sketch, for while his companions were engrossed in playful scribbles, he discovered bliss in the garden, nurturing plants and chattering with the butterflies. Ravi possessed a unique talent. He could nearly listen to what the plants were expressing. He could sense precisely when the roses were parched, or when the tulips craved some shade. His garden was the marvel of the entire canvas. It was a deluge of colours, a symphony of sketches. But one day, an odd event occurred. The plants in Ravi's garden began to fade. The roses lost their red, the lilies their scent. The garden that was once brimming with vitality now appeared dull and listless. Ravi was shattered. He watered the plants, he shifted them to the shade, he even hummed to them, but nothing seemed to work. One sunny day, a super-smart gardener named Prakash strolled into town. He'd heard whispers about Ravi's garden and decided to take a look for himself. As he roamed around the garden, he saw something that made him stop and turn to Ravi. "Buddy," he said, "looks like you're giving all your plants the same love." Ravi was baffled. "Isn't that how it should be? Fair and square?" Prakash just chuckled and shook his head. "Plants, just like us, are one of a kind. Each one likes different amounts of sun, water, and tender, loving care. Some are sun worshippers, while others are shade lovers. Some like a good drink, and others like to keep it dry. You gotta treat each plant like the unique individual it is." A light bulb went off in Ravi's head. He'd been so wrapped up in his daily doings that he hadn't been listening to his plants, hadn't been seeing what each one really needed. Gratitude filled him, and he thanked Prakash, ready to give his garden the love it deserved. In the weeks that followed, Ravi spent time with each plant. He learned about their needs, their likes and dislikes, and treated them accordingly. Slowly but surely, the garden started blooming again. The roses were red, the lilies fragrant, and the garden was alive with colors and life. And so, Ravi, the little gardener, learned a big lesson. He learned that everyone and everything is unique, with their own needs and desires. And when we respect these differences, when we treat everyone according to their nature, we create a world that's vibrant, diverse, and beautiful. And that, dear listeners, is the secret behind why flowers bloom in all different colors, and why some plants love the sun, while others prefer the shade. It's all thanks to gardeners like Ravi, who understand and respect the uniqueness of each plant. So the next time you see a garden, remember Ravi's story. Remember the importance of understanding and respecting differences, not just in plants, but in people too. For just like a garden, our world is a beautiful place because of its diversity. And that's the moral of our story. Respect and understand the uniqueness of everyone around you. Because when we do, we help create a world that's as vibrant and as beautiful as Ravi's garden.